If you ever played with Lego sets, you have probably noticed that they are different from other toys. The amazing things about Lego is that it's not just a toy. It's a fantastic way to unleash your creativity. Instead of providing a ready-made toy, it gives you the tool to imagine and create anything you want. At Notifal, we took the same approach. We wanted to give you the tools to be creative with your notifications, so you can create unique, engaging message and show it to your visitor. One of these creative tools is Notifal Tags. Tags lets you create dynamic, engaging notification with customized text that makes your website feel more alive. Let's rewind a bit. Back to when our team was in research and trying to create the best notification plugin in WordPress and WooCommerce. We tested almost every plugin and tools available, and we found a big problem with most of them. Here is how they work. They would ask you, what kind of notification do you want? Maybe you sales, for example, recent sales. They give you a basic template and ask you if you wanted to change the text a little. So you would probably end up with something like this sentence, for example. Someone from somewhere just bought this product, hurry up. Something like this. That's it. Not very exciting, right? We can have more creativity in our text and in our notification text, and this is very important, not just a simple text. Okay, let's continue and talk about the notification text and how we can have more creativity in creating the notification on our website and showing to visitor. The text is very, very important, and if you wanted to create unique notification, you should have more creativity in your notification text. So here, tagging is an important key in notification text. We wanted to take things to the next level. So instead of just offering a static text or static template, we built tags into Notifal, allowing you to make notification much more creative. For example, you can mix recent sales notification and discount orders. This is amazing, right? For example, Sora and $26 bought the silicone case with $40 discount in past few days. We even added tags that show low stock warning and countdowns for when a discount is about to expire, creating a real sense of urgency. So, what exactly these tags and how they work? In this video, we wanted to cover everything about the Notifal tags. Right now, as we are recording this video, we have 18 tags available in Notifal, and they are divided into 3 categories. The first one is order and customer info tags. The second one is product info tags, and the third one is coupon code tag. We are going to walk you through each category, explain the tags, and show you how they work. Alright, let's start with first tags, first name tags. This is really simple. If you use these tags in the notification tags, the first name will be replaced with the first name of your client. For example, if you set up a notification like this text, first name just placed an order, and someone named Sora makes a purchase, the notification text is Sora just placed an order. The next one is last name tags, which shows the customer last name. The next one is order time tag, which tells you how long ago the order was placed. For example, Sora Brown placed an order 6 hours ago. The 6 hours ago is replaced with order time. So in this example, we have used 3 tags: first name, last name, and order time. And the original text that you have set in your notification is first name, last name, placed an order about order time. And you will see Sarah Brown placed an order about 6 hours ago. The next tag is order counter, which displays the total number of orders received within the selected time frame, for example, 24 hours ago. For example, we can set this text for the notification. Thank you for your trust. 120 orders have been placed in last 24 hours. The number 120 is dynamically replaced with order counter tag. You can set the time and time frame in the Notifal source section. Now, a quick tip: use these tags strategically. I think it's very great if you use these tags in your campaigns because it builds trust and social proof on your website. But don't overuse it, because if visitors constantly see how many orders you are getting, it might feel like you are either showing up or devaluing your private data. So balance is key. Use it wisely. Next up, we have order city, which displays the order city of customers from their payment info. For example, Sarah from London just placed an order. London is replaced with order city tag. Then we have order state, which shows the customer state, and order country tag, which displays the customer country. If you receive order from different countries, this tag tag can be really useful for you. It adds credibility, informs customers about international shipping, and even highlights about global popularity. Then there is an order company tag, which displays the company name if the customer provides one during checkout. This tag is especially useful if you sell to businesses, as it builds trust and credibility. For example, if you sell lithium battery for electric vehicle, you can display something like this. Elon Musk from Tesla just purchased EV lithium battery from us, for example, or something similar to this. It's a great way to showcase big name client and boost trust. So that's all for first category of tags. Now let's move on the second category, products info tags. The first one is product name, which displays the name of product that was purchased. For example, in the notification I said earlier about Elon Musk, if you want to specify exactly which product is bought by Elon Musk, you should use product name to display the exact name of your product that is purchased by Elon Musk. The second tag is product stock, which shows how many units of a product are left in the stock. You can use these in two ways. Create notification that simply tells visitors which products are running low, or you can combine it with other notification to add urgency and make customers to feel like they might miss out. Next one, we have product link, which gives you the product link and exactly replace with the product links. You should use these inside A tags and as a href attributes of A tags. For example, you can add buy now button and set href to product link tag, or wrap the product name into A tags and the product name will be clickable, and if visitor click on it, will be redirected to product page. Okay, let's talk about discount related tags. Product discount amount show the exact amount of discount applied to a product. For example, if a product originally was $50 but is now on sale for $40, this tag will display $10. You can use these tags in creative ways, like saying save $10 on this product. Another tag is product discount %, which shows a discount as a percentage. And there is no difference between product discount % and product discount amount. The amount is discount amount and the person is show as a person. For example, you can say 20% off and 20% is replaced with product discount %. Next up, product sales price, which displays the discounted price of a product. Just keep in mind, these tags only works for discounted product. Then we have product regular price that shows the original price of a product. Product regular price and product sales price is great for before and after pricing tags. For example, not only $40 was $50. $40 and $50 is product sales price and product regular price tag. Now let's talk about the really cool tag, product sold quantity. If you remember order counter, this works similarly to order counter tag, but with one big difference. Order counter shows the total number of orders for your store, but product sold quantity show how many times a specific product has been sold. For example, you can set this text for a notification. Saran 26 order bought iPhone 16 in the last 24 hours. 26 order is product sold quantity tag. Like order counter, you can set the time in the source setting of notification. And finally, we have discounts ends in. Super powerful tags for urgency. If a product is on sale for a limited time, these tags will show the countdown until the discount ends. The third category currently includes only one tag, which allows you to add a copy button inside your notification. For example, imagine you have a special discount code that you want to show to your visitors so they can use it easily. With the copy text tag, you can create a button that lets users to copy the code with just one click. This tag has two attributes. The first one is text. This defines the text of the button. For example, if you set it to copy coupon code, that's exactly the button text and visitors see that. Copy text attribute. This is the actual text that when user click on the button, this text will be copied in the clipboard. For example, you can enter the discount code here so user can grab it easily. No, here is something that is very important to keep in mind. If you use a tag inside the notification main text, but that tag doesn't have a valid value, the notification won't be displayed at all. For example, imagine you set a notification for recent sales order and use order company tag in the main text of your notification. Main text of your notification, not additional text of the notification. We have additional text and main text. If you use order company tags in main text notification and orders that placed on your site has no company data, the notification related to that order won't be show up on your website. So I will repeat it again. If an order doesn't include a company name, the notification will be skipped for that order. So one question, if you wanted to show the order that have order company and the orders that don't have order company, how we can handle this in the Notifal? So if you want to display all order, the orders that have order company and don't have order company, you should create two separate notifications. One that includes the order company tag for customer who provided the company name, another notification without this tag. So orders without the company name are also shown. Again, I should say that this is just for main text. So if you use a tag with no valid value inside your main text, the notification will be skipped entirely. But if you use it in additional info 1 or 2, only that specific word will be hidden. For example, if you use it in additional 1 will be hidden. Or if you use it in additional 2 will be hidden. But the notification will be shown to visitors. So if you notice that some notifications aren't showing up, first check whether you have used any tag. That might not always have a valid value. And one more thing, tags are just one part of creative possibilities you have. We are working on some mind-blowing new features that will be added to the plugin in the coming weeks. Things you wouldn't even imagine. We are also continuously adding more tags to give you even more flexibility. But we need your feedback to make the best decision. Your feedback is most valuable gift we could receive. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. Make sure to subscribe our channel and share your thoughts about Notifal tags. See you in the next video.